Hey everyone, Allie here. Welcome back to my channel, Summer Soap Company. I hope everyone has had a glorious week. I am back in the soap room and ready to make a new batch of soap. I'm gonna go ahead here and add my lye water mixture into my oils and get this all blended up. Okay, now that our batter is looking good, I'm gonna go ahead and split it off into a few different containers so we can add our mica colors. I'm going for a beach themed soap today. So the colors I'm using are white, kind of like this sand honey tan color, and then a couple different greens. One is a little more green and the other has a little blue hint to it. So I'm hoping this is going to come out the way I want, just adding a little bit of titanium dioxide to that honey color to make it a little bit lighter. Gonna go ahead and mix these all in. The fragrance we're using today is called AQUAMARINE DREAM from Brambleberry. The description is sea breeze and key lime, along with peppermint, orris, a foundation of cypress, and amberwood. To this honey color, I'm gonna also add some ground walnut shells just to make it look a little bit more like sand. And here I'm just gonna finish up mixing that fragrance oil into the rest of our soap batter. And we are all set to start pouring our soap batter into our mold. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this honey brown color that's supposed to look like sand. And then I'm gonna do it in the pot swirl with the other green and the white, and then pour that on top to make it look kind of oceany. And here I'm gonna add the rest of my white soap batter on top and do a design and make it kind of look like a little wave. And here is our finished soap. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna let this sit for about 24 hours and we'll come back for the cut tomorrow. And here we are 24 hours later and we are ready to unmold and cut this soap up into bars. It smells so good. I really like this one. And here is the first bar of my new beach soap. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cute. As always, thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the making of this soap. If you did, please go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next video.